What tax classification is my LLC? I am going to show you how you can easily determine the tax classification of your LLC. An LLC is a business structure allowed by state statute. Each state may use different regulations, so you should check with your state if you're interested in starting an LLC. Owners of an LLC are called members. Most states do not restrict ownership, so members may include individuals, corporations, other LLCs, and foreign entities. There is no maximum number of members. Most states also permit single-member LLCs, those having only one owner. A few types of businesses generally cannot be LLCs, such as banks and insurance companies. Check your state's requirements and the federal tax regulations for further information. There are special rules for foreign LLCs. Depending on elections made by the LLC and the number of members, the IRS will treat an LLC as either a corporation, partnership, or as part of the LLC's owner's tax return. Specifically, a domestic LLC with at least 2 members is classified as a partnership for federal income tax purposes unless it files Form 8832 and affirmatively elects to be treated as a corporation. For income tax purposes, an LLC with only 1 member is treated as an entity disregarded as separate from its owner. Unless it files Form 8832 and elects to be treated as a corporation. However, for purposes of employment tax and certain excise taxes, an LLC with only 1 member is still considered a separate entity.